You are again welcome in Trusty Classes. Today we will discuss about math pattern. The pattern in which the tricks of math will be there. It is also a brain test. Just see and make the permutation combination and solve the question. How it is? This is we will draw a pattern in which we will use numbers. One, two, three, 4 and 5. In these blocks we will fill the numbers. Suppose here is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You can draw like this. You can draw next line like this. Like this. Let's see. Now in these 3 remaining blocks, we will leave one block to solve the pattern question. Any one of you can leave any one block. It is up to you. Suppose I leave this one. Now you have to solve it. The question has been just framed. Now what is the trick to solve this question? There is no any formula regarding these type of problems to solve them. We have to just by your brain you have to make permutation combination which equation this pattern will have. Suppose in the first line if we see we get there is a difference between two numbers, between two any consecutive numbers or between two neighboring numbers. We have a difference of 3, 6 and 3, 9, 6, 12, 9, 15. Like here 49, this difference is 5. You can write the difference. In this line 3 ka difference, and about here 14 minus 9 5, 19, 14. Here difference is 5, and in this is 30 minus 23, and this same 7. But here the number is not there. Now what we can see, or we can cross check. In the first line it is 3, in second it is 5, and third is 7. So here must be difference of 9. So 62 minus 9 is 53. Suppose I put 53 here, then it is okay or not? Cross check. Since here there is no any other number, so difference cannot be checked. Otherwise, if we could able to check the difference, then there was no any extra cross check need was there to go any extra cross check. But here we have to search for another cross check. This is okay difference, this difference is okay, this difference is okay, this difference is okay, but here we cannot see about or talk about the difference. So what is the next check, or what may be the next check? Any pattern 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9, 24 plus 13 equal to 37 plus, so 15, here is the 9, 13, 25, and here it is 5 minus 2, 3, 11 minus 6, 5. So is there any pattern? Anything we can judge from here? Here is 4, here is 12, here is 31, so nothing can be said. In this side, 3, 9, 6, here it is 14, no. What next? 3, 6, 9, 3 plus 6 equal to 9, 9 plus 14 equal to 23, 23 plus 30 equal to 53, 53 plus 62 equal to 165, yes, okay. So this answer is okay. You can also make any, or you can make any number in this one number anywhere. Suppose now question is this, we have to find out this number. But whether the answer is correct or not, you have to cross check it. Then only you can say this is correct. You can make so many types of questions in this pattern. You can increase the number of blocks here, and this pattern may change. You can make any pattern or any series or any formula you can take here. It is up to you. So do the practice and qualify the exam. Thank you.